going to be showing you how to make a chain. So in order to do this, you must be able to know how to hold your tension and like hold the hook and stuff, and also how to make a slip knot. As you can see here, I've already made one and put my hook through it. So let's get started. So let's get your tension. I'm going to pinch the knot, and we're going to make the hooked bit of the hook facing outwards towards your dominant hand. So in this case, my right hand. And now you're going to bring the hook so it goes underneath this nice like tense bit of string, like so. Hook it under. And now we're going to twist the hook so it's now facing the opposite direction. So it should be, the hook bit should be like facing downwards towards your non-dominant hand. And now you're just going to, with your dominant hand, just pull your hook down, keep pulling it until you reach the loop on your hook, and then you're going to try and pull it through that loop like so. So you might need to redo your tension to make sure that it's still tight. So I'll do that again. So the hook's facing outwards towards your dominant hand. You're going to go under the yarn, twist the hook so it's facing downwards and like towards your non-dominant hand, and then you're going to pull the hook down and through that loop on the hook. So when you're doing this, make sure that you're not like trying to pull this over the top. You want to try and get that nice smooth movement of pulling the hook through and down, like so. This is why having your tension is really important, because it helps you get these nice neat stitches. Why not check out my book in the description below? It would be a perfect way to test these new crochet skills.